How to fix CapCut could not load, tap to try again. Sometimes due to variety of reason, there might be issue to open or load the CapCut app and we must wait until the CapCut issue has been gone and then we'll be able to load that CapCut application. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is you need to simply head into the settings on your device. Once you access to the settings page, you have to scroll all the way down and go and open the apps. Select the app management and here you need to scroll all the way down and select CapCut or at the top you will see the search bar. Tap on it and search for the CapCut. Open CapCut and it will open the app info page of CapCut where you have to first stop this app once and then your issue might be fixed. If they did not work for you, then go ahead and open storage uses where you can simply clear the cache. Clearing cache might be simple, but this will fix different kinds of glitches and bugs on the app itself. If you wish to clear data, you can also clear all the data. Once done, you can simply uninstall and reinstall the app. For that, you can tap on uninstall button and tap on OK. Once uninstalled, you can simply install it from the Play Store or App Store. So doing all this step will fix your issue. If it is not working well, then you can restart your device because in your device itself there might be issue. For that, you need to hold the power button and here you can see the option to restart. You need to simply hold this small circle and you can slide towards the upwards and restart your device. Once done, you need to try opening CapCut and it will definitely load and open. So that is how we fixed CapCut could not load, tap to try again option. So if this video worked for you, then make sure to hit the like button, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.